Hello. Today we are going to solve this exercise, which is about SQL selection chapter. First of all, we have a relational database HR. We have employee here, employee table. This employee table is related to departments by using employee ID here. Is related employee is related to manager ID. And also the job ID of the employee is related to the table of we call jobs, job type, job ID, job title, job uh, minimum salary and maximum salary. And also this manager ID here is related to employee ID. Okay, so it means that if the employee can be real employee and can be a manager. So a manager is an employee also. Okay. And also this table is related by employee ID to job history, where we have here the employee ID, start date, and the job ID and department ID. And as you see, all tables are related using region ID is here as a foreign key in countries. What does this mean? It means if the region ID is here, it means that the region can have many countries. For example, region ID Middle East, for example, equal 10. Middle East can contain Lebanon, Palestine, Syria, Iraq, okay? But here we have always the same region ID, which is 10. 10 is shared between the country of Lebanon, Syria, Palestine, and so on and so forth. And as you know, here the employee or the manager is working at a given department of HR, department of purchasing, whatever. And also the location, as you know, we work, the department is located in a given location. This will involve or will include, for example, the location ID of the department, uh, street address, postal code, city, state, province, and country ID. Okay. So, for example, if you look to the Islamic University of Lebanon, here the employees can be IT, can be managers, can be professors, instructors. Here the department ID is department IT, department administration, department uh, other departments, jobs. Each manager, each employee within the university has job ID and has minimum salary and maximum salary and a title. Title, for example, security, for example, security guy, for example, instructor, office IT, whatever. Job history when he started or she started his job at the given department and job ID title. This employee with the department and all of this stuff are located in some region in Middle East. For example, if our university is international, we can say, for example, like American University of Beirut, because it's international. So in Dubai, there is AUB in Dubai, for example, AUB in Beirut, as you know here. Okay. So based on these related tables, we are gonna executing several queries today and understand how these tables are related and how we can get or any query some information from different tables at the same time. So the first question is that display question one, Display first name, last name, hire date, and department ID for all employees hired in 2017. This question is that we are asking about. Let's have, let's have a look here about this database. We can take a screenshot and then we can, okay, this way. So the first question is that display first name, last name. So we can make it smaller a bit this way. Okay, well done. Okay. So the first question is that display first name, last name, hire date here, department ID here. So we are going to inquiry several attributes from the employees table for all employees hired in 2017. So the date should be higher date should be 2017. Hired in 2017. We need only the year. We don't need exactly the month and the day. So to do so, we have, whenever we say display, it means select. We do select first name, last name, because we are going to select specific columns from this table. So select first name, last name, hire date, department ID. All these attributes here are included within this table. So select all these attributes from which table we name this table, which is employees. Here we have to take just to pay a bit of attention about this function extract. So as you know, we want here the dates, higher dates are stored like 5 April 2017, 10 June 2017. But from the question he mentioned here above, we want only the year. So we have to use the function extract. So extract and we open parentheses, year from higher date. Higher date, as I told you, it includes a day, month, and year, but we need only year. So we say extract and open parentheses, year from higher date. So it will extract year from. We can use month from. We can use day from higher date. This extraction, after we extract the year from the higher date, which is stored here, we should compare it to 2017. Okay, so this is the first question. It's easy, it's clear, it's straightforward. So extracts only the year from the date. So you can use all the time this way. If we don't want year or month, we want all the format, all the days and months and years within the same date. So you just say where higher date equal some date. Okay. This is for the first question. For the second question is that we here is saying to me, where's the questions? Not here. Sorry. Here the second question is that display first name, last name, hire date, department name instead of department D here. Okay. Of the top 5 longest serving employees on the company. It means that the first 5 employees that have started so long. It means the oldest 5. So instead of department ID, we need department name. Let's come back here. And So let's come back here. So he's asking me about first name, last name, hire date, department name. As you see here, we don't have department name, right? Department name is here. So we have to join this table with this to get, whenever we join these two tables, then we can select this with all these here. First name, last name, hire date, department. But is saying to me of the top 5 longest serving, oldest. What does this mean, oldest? We have to use order by on date from oldest to recent. Okay, we have to order by and then fetch first 5 rows. We take only 5 rows. So if we use order by higher date ascending, it will, for example, start from 2000, 2005, 2007, 2008 ascending. 2005, 2005, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2011, 2026. This way we arrange them in ascending. So the first thing is left is to do what? Is to do joining between this table and this table. So we select first name, last name, hire date, department date. As you see here, department date is from this table and the first 3 are from employee table. So we need from employees, we need all these from employees. Join from employee E, you take as an alias here, E, okay? And then, okay. And then you join employee A with department D. From employee, join department D on what we should join? On department ID